I wanted to ask you about this dumb it down concept that you were explaining to everybody. What's the Dan's dumb it down secret?
Well, the secret is everybody's a moron.
Okay.
And if you try to talk about what you sell in a smart way, they're not going to buy it because everyone's a moron.
Got it.
So you have to make it moron friendly.
Got it.
So that people can understand it. And look, when I say everyone's a moron, I mean it, because even we're all morons at some point, right? Like if I go to talk to my CPA about taxes and she's like, blah, 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 I'm a moron when it comes to that. Because I'm like, I'm a marketer. I don't know this stuff.
I know.
So I always say to her, explain it to me like I'm 5, because in this context, right now, I am a moron.
Right.
So explain it to me like a moron, right?
I agree.
And so you will get, like, Donald Trump got elected not because he had crazy, awesome ideas, because he spoke at a FK level 2, which means second grade reading level. So everybody can understand. So you just have to dumb it down. If you're not uncomfortable with how you're explaining something, if you're like, I sound like an idiot, then it's too smart. You need to feel, like every time I go on stage, I really feel like an idiot explaining. I'm like, I sound stupid. And then everybody's like, oh my God. Right? So you have to feel uncomfortable explaining it, where you feel stupid explaining it because it's too simple. That's when you will influence people. The smartest people in the world are smart enough to dumb it down.
Wow. How did you come to this realization?
Because I started out dumbing it down. I made a lot of money. And then I was like, oh, I'm smart now. I learned stuff. And then I started trying to teach smart stuff and nobody cared. And I was like, huh. So I dumbed it back down and people started giving me money again.
Got it.
And then, of course, I met other smart marketers and they all pretty much said the same thing. So that's how I learned it.
That's how you learn anything.
Yep. See all these appointments?
Oh.
See all these appointments?
That's your calendar?
That's my calendar. Well, I don't,
Pre-qualified?
Yes. Qualified appointments. We book 30 to 40 a day.
Deal engine.
AI setter. None of these people talk to a human. They talk to my AI setter.
How do AI setters book appointments?
They have a conversation with your
on
prospects and they ask them to book a
Facebook
fucking
chat or
call.
something? like a Facebook Messenger?
Facebook, Instagram, SMS. And the difference is that I took all my knowledge of
trained AI.
And trained it. I don't use the training data. I don't use what AI knows. It uses what I know. And an MIT study was conducted that said if you don't get back to your leads within 5 minutes, your chances of selling that lead drop by 800%.
Got it.
Most people here think that they need to learn more marketing. They just need to get back to their leads faster.
Wow.
So when we deployed the AI setter, it gets back to them within 3 seconds. Even though the conversation may not be quite as good as a human appointment setter, it doesn't matter because they're hot right now. They went through. It empathized with them. It asked them their problems. It made them realize they have an issue, and then it asked them to book a call to solve it. And it's just like 30 to 40 calls a day, like that, completely automated.
And it's coming from like your Facebook ad, your friend.
Facebook, Instagram. It can come from SMS. If you buy one of my products, the SMS will talk to you and book a call.
And you sell that to other companies.
Yeah.
But is it using their knowledge or Dan Henry's?
We program it for them. It's done for you service. I learned a long time ago, don't give someone software and let them use it. Just do it for them.
Right.
Put it up. We write a year's worth of email marketing and SMS marketing for them. We put it all in the software. We give it to them. Just send leads to
it's
it.
Like a done,
don't touch it.
You're
Just
right.
send leads
done
to
for
it.
you. I love that.
Yeah.
How'd you learn that, by the way? That don't sell people software, do it for them.
Through hundreds and hundreds of clients over the years, I realized that people will pay you a lot of money to learn something, and most people don't have time to do it.
That's true.
So the next evolution is do it for them.
Wow. That's what every agency does. Let's do it for them.
When you can do it with SaaS, you can
scale it. No, I understand. But I'm saying like most of the time why agencies have any client is because the client doesn't want to do it.
Right.
They just
but
would
the
rather.
agency sucks at it usually.
Right.
And we've just developed this over years, and so we know it works, and it works the same every time because it's software. It's not a person.
Here's my next question. You ran so many ads, and you record them yourself. Like sometimes like at night, you're like it's dark. What was your favorite like hook that you think worked in your ads?
Probably the one where I reenacted the music video from.
I don't think I've seen this.
Yeah, it was called. You ever seen Step Brothers?
Yes.
Remember the boats and hose music video?
No, but I'm sure you.
Yeah, they did. They had a bunch of scaggy looking women on the boat, and.
Oh, I remember that. Yeah. You bought your own boat that week or whatever, and you had a party on the boat.
We did a music video.
Yes.
And
I remember that.
We called it Book and Close.
I remember that. Makes sense now. It was like a party on the boat.
Well, it was a reenactment of a movie scene.
Got it.
Yeah.
And that
So if
crushed
you
it.
didn't see the movie, you would think I was a total douche. But if
but it was
you
a good
saw
act.
the movie, you'd be like, "Oh, that's comedy."
Got it.
Yeah,
No,
and
I-
they crushed it, and we made a stupid return.
Was it like a program you sold? Was it something?
We took it to a virtual event, and then we sold a coaching program and a mastermind.
What was like the biggest breakthrough you probably had last year? The last 12 months. You learned so much. You invest so much into yourself and your business. You scaled a lot. You built an AI software.
Hire an actual. Stop fiddling with your funnel. Hire, like, once you figure out something works, hire a actual C-suite COO
For your company.
to wrangle you, because you suck. You're a
Right.
visionary, which means you're the thing that births the company, but you're also the thing that will destroy it.
I agree.
Because your
Tinkering
little
with it.
manic
Right.
new idea every 5-minute
Right.
thing is great to pop, but it'll destroy the company. So you got to bring somebody in to manage you and keep you focused, because you will, like, what got you here will not get you there.
That's true.
You got to have good people around you. It's all about the people. You got to hire good people that are there not just to get a paycheck, but they're there for the mission, and they're there to make customers happy. You know, an employee that really wants to make a customer happy and has limited training and limited resources will do better than an employee who's there for a paycheck but has
That's
the best
true.
training and the best resources.
Right. That's very true.
So that's the other thing, is get good people. Which, if you watch any interview with any billionaire ever, they literally say the same thing.
I know.
So just
I know.
do that.
Are you going to get a whole bunch of other people, like a CFO and a CMO and a C everything else?
We'll see. I don't like getting that big.
Okay. Too
I
much
like-
bureaucracy at that moment.
Yeah, I don't-
Just too many heads.
I'm not a big
Got
fan
it.
of
But the
corporations.
operations, you like it. Somebody to run the operations.
Yeah, the little stuff. The stuff that distracts me from the stuff that makes money.
Got it. So that you can work on the next update, the feature, the whatever else.
Strategy, offers, brand, big vision stuff.
Got it. Man, thank you, buddy.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. I'm going to go dumb it down now.
Go dumb it down. Go dumb it down.